All right. Hey, thank you for being here. Good afternoon, good morning to some of you. We appreciate you and appreciate your time. Hey, August was a very good month for us. That means it was pretty good for you as well. You know, our project business, national account business, some of the VE stuff, as well as stock and flow is now starting to gain traction again. It's been inconsistent, as we all know, all year, but we're seeing some really good things. The investments, that we've made in you, the samples, our software, our sales solutions, all the marketing efforts, all the inventory, all the pricing, all the new warehousing is all paying off. We have distributors coming to us wanting to get bigger, and that's really exciting. The main thrust of today, I'm going to show you a few new things, but the main thrust is continue to please be aggressive, stay aggressive, and be assertive. As you know, many manufacturers aren't doing well. It's rather interesting out there, but like I just got done saying, the investments that we've made into everyone, including distribution, is paying off. So it's really a big deal. So what's being aggressive? Being aggressive is if you have to redo your program for next year, if you come up with something different that you want for your distributor, please get with your manager. We've given you the pricing. We've given you the product. So please, be as aggressive as you possibly can. Don't leave any money on the table. Don't think that 3 or 4 or 5% isn't worth it, because it's a big deal when it comes to market share and holding your position, right, with hopes of better and higher quality product. The corporate showroom is finished. It's been finished, as you know, but in the ceiling now it's finished. I told you last meeting it was being done that week. All those iolites, all those high lumen iolites, 4-inch sapphire are all completed. We did it in narrow flood and we did it in flood. Kevin and I even shot the foot candles, did the photometrics at 6-foot distances and 11-foot distances. So when you're there with your customers next time, we have cheat sheets for you to be able to show iolite, high lumen iolite, and the 4-inch sapphire at different distances away as part of the showroom. So it's really nice. Speaking of the showroom, we've been booking showrooms now with customers. Quite a few California customers have been coming in. We have a very large electrical distributor coming in the first week of November with over 20 corporate people coming. They want to go deeper with all the products that we're developing. So this is really a big deal for us. It's going to be a 2-day event, but over 20 some people with corporate and managers coming. So please continue to get with your manager and, book those positions to come on in and present the company. Kevin wanted me to show you. You've seen these before. This is the brand new recess laminate. This recess laminate has all the new onyx. It has the M curve. It has the flat. It's got the wave. It's got all the positions. This is all done. So please, get those orders in, including canvas is even on there too. What I'm most excited about is the new 61-page LED recess book. Now, these were shipped to you last week and the week before with quite a few samples. But inside this LED recess book, it talks about the dedicated housings, retrofit inserts, canvas, and more importantly, all the comparisons, right? So all those new products, all those new onyx pieces, all the adjustable flins, the flats, the M curve, everything is in this, including dedicated housings. This is all LED. So this is a company of itself, to itself, and it's all available to you. So please, if you haven't seen it, look for it or get those coming in quantity, because we have them for you. We are still launching products every 10 to 15 days. So we haven't slowed down with the launching of these products. Next week is flat. Everyone's heard of flat, the non-metallic type piece, the non-metallic flin, but it's going to officially be launched next week, and then it'll obviously go on the website. Excuse me. So Kevin and marketing and all of us have been hard at work just trying to keep all this front and center for you. So that's really good news. The Dallas showroom, we've now narrowed down to one contractor. The showroom will be done by January. I told you last time we all talked that it was moving along. Well, we've gotten both presentations back, both pricing, and it's just about done and getting ready to get started. So that's really exciting. By the way, I think you know, but the opals in black are all in stock. So, please take advantage of that because quite a few of you had wanted the opals in black. So get those coming. All right, I'm going to want to show you a few things. So I'm going to switch this over to sharing the screen. Bear with me just a little bit. And let me see if I can do this. So what's interesting about the M curve, and it was launched, is what we want you to know is, this thing drops down to 80 degrees below the surface. It's got a full 360-degree rotation on it. It has got 5 CCT capable, which is really nice. It's a canless product, kind of modern. It's really nice. In the 4-inch, it's at about 900 lumens. In the 6-inch, it's at 1300 lumens. And then it closes out with really a narrow flood beam pattern. So this is really a nice product. Here's a new wrap. So we've got the 4-foot strip, the 8-foot strip. Here is a brand new wrap. What's interesting about this wrap is it is CCT adjustable. So you've got 3 35K and 4K. It is 7 to 8,000 lumens. It is power selectable also. So it is a CCT selectable and power selectable product. It's 120 to 277 volts, 0 to 10 dimming. It's DLC, and beam pattern is, or diameter is 100 degrees. So it's kind of a wide flood. Distributor net on it is 4750, which is very competitive for 8,000 lumens with all those controls, which is nice. So this should fall right in line with the strip really well. And the emergency is $136. The motion's $64. And if you want them both, it is $150. So we wanted you to see this. The curve and the wrap are in stock. Okay. So please get these coming. Here is a brand new dry fit t-shirt. A little bit wrinkled on the photograph, but order them. They're in stock. These are wonderful. I've seen them. There's nice little air vents on the backs of them as well. This is not just your typical cotton t-shirt. It's a really nice dry fit. This is for contractors. It's for your distributors, for you at the agency. So please get these coming. This is a really nice addition. Here is a brand new demo bag. This particular Nora bag actually rolls up into a bag, and when you unroll it, it flattens out. This was Kevin's brainchild. This is designed for under cab in our small linear platform. So that would be one segment of product, and it's also designed truly for tape. So tape, drivers, connectors, everything. It's a really nice bag that folds up nice. It's very compact and can fit in some really nice tight places, and it presents well. So if you were to open that up and roll it all out, you'd see all the compartments with zippers and pouches for product to slide into it, which is really nice. So, nice job on that, Kevin. And those are in stock. So please, get those coming. So a couple things that I want to talk to you about with respect to new products that are really, really close. We're going to be doing the 1x4, 2x4, really slim panels. Okay. So we're moving along on those really well. Surface mounts. Okay. So not recessed up in the ceiling. We still have those, but we're bringing in the 1x4, 2x4, and probably a few other different nominal length pieces in the surface mount full LEDs. Those are moving along really well. The N line that we've had in the line for about 4 years, the N line is the direct down only in aluminum. That is about ready to be in black and white. So you'll have aluminum, black and white, but more importantly, the new N line is going to be power selectable and CCT selectable. So that is a new product. We're just upgrading it, and we'll have it in 3 finishes, but you'll have the power selectable and CCT. That is just about done. The high performance Aculux style, the really nice unit that we showed you a little bit and have been talking about, is moving along beautifully. The housing is done. The mechanics are done. The trims are just about done. I was looking at them last week. They're beautiful. The ceiling is really quiet. We've added some features. We've gotten around the patents. So it is almost there. Maybe by the end of the year, we will be able to launch this. But if any of you get to the factory, we will be able to show it to you upstairs. And it is a very big family, and it will be called something different. But I just wanted you to know that we're working diligently on it, and engineering has done a wonderful job, as well as everybody, trying to get into that next market segment for us. So it's doing really well. The J-Box fire rated round housing is just about completed. That's been going on for about a good year and a half. That's just about done. And then finally, the Cobalt Click new platform in the 5 CCT, which we have talked about, is just about done also. So you're going to have Cobalt Click in 5 CCT, where we're all going to be able to, re-energize that Cobalt platform. It's still doing very, very well. It's still number 5 in the company, but now you'll have 5 CCTs all out of one nice Cobalt Click. So that will be a very nice addition. That's really it for today. Short and sweet. We appreciate all of you. You get to see a few more new products, tell you a little bit about some of the products that are coming. And you should have received this past week that 61-page LED recess book with a lot of those new trims in there. The Slim is in there. The new Onyx wall wash is in there, round and square. So those products are you should have for in your arsenal. And if you don't, get in touch with your managers. Okay. Hey, we appreciate it. Happy Friday, and go get them. All right. Thank you.